I've been having so much bad luck, but I can't see it. I can't buy it. Mine is not here. Bro, I don't know what it is, bro. I can't get this car. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're bringing you more Nissan Z content without actually having the Z. You guys know we're working on adding the Z to the collection. It's just been a struggle. My name is BeDistinct. I have a supercharged G35. I've had it for about 4 years and it's about time we get a new build on the channel. It's just that I could have bought any other car and boom, had it in here right away. Only thing is that I really wanted the Nissan Z to be my next build, and the Nissan Z has been announced for over a year and a half or something, and they're barely now receiving Proto Zs now landing around the world. And I'm not sure if you guys follow me on my YouTube community, but I did this post yesterday and I also included it in my most recent video that I was currently talking to someone who received the first Nissan Z. I'm talking to somebody right now who has the Nissan Z right now, first one in California. So today I should be able to they're gonna let me know if they can come down on their price. And I was trying to buy it and I couldn't. And it wasn't even the fact that I couldn't, it was just how it happened. I was super upset. I still kind of am right now, but regardless, I will bring you guys that story next video. But in today's video, we are actually gonna go see the Nissan Z in person for the first time ever. I can't wait to take you guys, man. It's gonna be freaking sick. If you guys don't know, I did a couple phone calls to a couple dealers, more than 30 dealers yesterday. Here's a little small clip. The 400Z, the Nissan Z.
Oh, the Z.
Yes. Okay. I was like, the Nissan Z, a battery charge? Wait, what?
All right, let's see. No, we don't have any.
Yeah, okay, so it comes on the 29th. I'd love to take a look.
That's the ETA on it. Yeah.
How much did you guys sell it for? Do you know?
This one.
For 56?
56.
56 plus markup, or?
We don't do dealer markup. $56,915 plus taxes.
No way. Anyways, that dealer that sold their Nissan Proto Z at MSRP arrived today, and my friend Cameron, Subzilla Yellow Supra, he's on his way right now. When he gets here, we're gonna get on the Honda and we're gonna head over to Elk Grove and check out that new Nissan Z. I gotta stretch, bitch. Hello, buddy. We're going to the dealership. I'm gonna get coffee. We're minutes away from seeing the new Nissan Z, which is crazy. Got sold at MSRP, which we will explain a little bit further once we get there. But I wonder what unit number it is. Does it have a plaque? Do you know? Like out of 240? Hey! Hello! We're here at Nissan. Alright guys, so we just made it to Nissan. We showed up. I gave a call in the morning just to double check. I don't want to drive here hella far, right? And the car not be here, right? So I called. It's like, yeah bro, let me check for you if the Nissan Z is here. So he calls me literally not even 10 minutes later. Bro, the Z is here, it's in the back lot, come check it out. So I texted this fool right here behind the camera, Subzilla. And it's like, bro, let's go check it out. It's like, all right, let's go do it. And we finally made it here. By the way, check out the Nissan Z right there. Finally show up, and the car's not here. So we can't even see the car. But hope is not all done, okay? He said if the car might be getting detailed, which is locally right here. So we're gonna go ahead to see if the car is there. If not, I don't know, bro. But owner bought it. It's not for sale. He bought it MSRP, and they have, how much did you say? 3 or 4?
They have like, yeah,
they have 3 or 4, not Protos, just like performance or base trim levels, coming next month that have been sold at MSRP, but been sold since last year though. All right, let's. Okay, sweet, thank you. Bro, I literally just got the call. You guys just saw it right now. He said the Z is back there. It showed up again. So we're not gonna go to the detailing section. We're gonna go back, bro, and check it out. Hell yeah. Bro, I've been having so much bad luck, but I can't see it. I can't buy it. Mine is not here. Bro, I don't know what it is, bro. I can't get this car.
Oh, detail it from, that's why.
Oh, yeah?
Ooh, there it is.
Oh, shoot, bro.
I haven't showed you yet.
Crazy. Damn. First time we look at it in person.
This is the first time you've seen it in person?
Yeah, we've seen the base one and a performance one, like at events and stuff.
Yeah,
but I haven't got the chance to see the Proto. Bro, check this out. Ah, dude, that is sweet, man.
Last time we got a GTR in.
Yeah.
And we asked him, we sold it. We sold to some dude, and some dude resold it, bro. Made money.
Oh, he got mad?
Yeah. They said, I'm not doing that again. So we don't mark it up.
Yeah.
But this one, we still do mark it up.
So what's the difference? Here's the Z, guys. First time seeing it in person. Looks really, really good, man. Ah, dude, I can't wait for mine to get here. This is freaking awesome. So this one sold MSRP. It's the owners. They usually don't do MSRP as this dealer, which I didn't know about, which is crazy. But yeah, dude.
Take a look inside real quick.
Yeah. That's sweet. Hell yeah. Thank you. I appreciate it. Ooh. Check out the interior, y'all. That is so sick, man. Looks really nice. Oh yeah, thank you, brother.
Yeah, sure.
Brand new Z, bro.
Nah, bro.
Nah. What the fuck?
Oh,
You scared
my
me,
God.
bro.
You're the one that didn't know how to do it, bro.
Fuck, dude. That car looks so good.
The Z look good.
Fuck,
10 out of 10, bro.
November, bro. Till November. 2 more months, bro. When they told me. Yeah. 2 more months, and they told me 2 months when I ordered it, which was what? August?
I swear to God, every time I talk to this dude, it's a whole new update of another month added onto it, bro.
Turn on your car. Very nice. Oh, he's turning wheeling, bro. Press the gas. The gas. Well, there you guys have it. We are back home, and that was the Nissan Z for you. It brought me, actually, I'm super happy actually that I got to see it in person. I've had so much bad luck with this, like I said, guys, like I've had so much bad luck. Well, anyway, I wouldn't even say bad luck. I was just I don't even know what to call it, but the interior looks freaking insane, bro. Super nice, and I just honestly can't wait to get mine. With that being said, this will be the end of this video. I will be going to a meet later, but I will include it in next video so you guys can hear the story of what happened yesterday. I could have had the Z, guys. I could have had the Z, bro, right now. But anyways, I'll bring you guys that story on next episode. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and then hopefully sometime, I'm not even gonna give you guys a date no more. We should have the Nissan Z here. With that being said, thank you guys for all the support. I'll catch you guys next episode. Peace out.